Hey folks, hope you can see me okay here. Today we're going to talk about the Mediterranean fan palm, or European fan palm is the common name. The Latin name is Chamaerops humilis. This is a species native to southern Europe. You can find it growing in kind of coastal areas of Sicily and other areas down south there. And this one here is a suckering species. So you come off the bottom of the trunk, you'll get lots of offsets to form a nice big clump. Some people like to cut the suckers off to have a solitary trunk and arborescent, more arborescent like a Trachycarpus. I don't advise doing that. Why even plant one then if you're going to cut the suckers off? Go plant a Trachycarpus fortunei. They look nice the way they grow naturally. So this one's got lots of offsets. It's been in the ground more than a decade now, and it is growing quite nicely. Fully hardy here on Salt Spring Island. The largest ones I know of on our island are about 10 feet wide and about 8 feet high, and they do actually produce seed here on Salt Spring. They have smaller, stiffer leaves than Trachycarpus fortunei, a little bit maybe more waxy. The petioles are quite a bit different than fortunei. They have spines up the petioles here, and the petioles are these stems that connect to the fronds and join into the trunk there. There's also the blue form here. This is a Cerifera native to the Atlas Mountains of Morocco. A little bit slower growing, I find, than this one. This one grows at a pretty moderate to fast rate here on Salt Spring Island. We plant them small. We have a lot of Chamaerops humilis in our yard, and they seem to be completely foolproof here. There's also another variety called Volcano, and I've grown some from seed. I have them in pots right now, and they have a really compact crown with really rigid fronds, a really beautiful plant, and harder to come by. So those ones we're going to be planting in our garden as well. I have seen these things with nearly 20 feet of trunk on them. Very old specimens in Southern California and also in the Hawaiian Islands. Near where our condo is on Maui, there's some large ones there, and you can check out my videos and you will see them. Arborescent. I don't even think there's too many suckers on. It looks like the suckers are removed. So if you want a good hardy palm, you live in a similar growing zone as us, try the Chamaerops humilis, planted in well-draining soil and full hot sun. They love it, and they don't, like I say, they don't mind the wetter winters here on Salt Spring Island and the Pacific Coast. There are some very large specimens here on the Pacific Coast of Canada, and they do fine without winter protection. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and hey, try yourself a Chamaerops humilis, Mediterranean fan palm. You will not be disappointed. You can see the blue on this one here, the Cerifera, and they are growing. And you can see the fronds in here opening up. Just a beautiful palm, one of my favorites. Cheers.